Ever wondered why we can't see the same colors as a butterfly or a snake? Well, it's all about how our vision works. Our eyes are intricate devices, capturing light and translating it into the vibrant spectrum of colors we perceive. This spectrum, known as visible light, ranges from red to violet, but it's merely a fraction of the full electromagnetic spectrum. Beyond these limits lie ultraviolet and infrared, unseen to the human eye, but very much a part of our world. Now, how does our brain make sense of all this light? It begins in the retina, where light-sensitive cells convert light into electrical signals. These signals then journey along the optic nerve to our brain, which stitches together these fragments of light and color into the cohesive images that make up our reality. As amazing as our vision is, it's not the only way to see the world. Let's explore how other creatures perceive their surroundings. Imagine if you could see the heat. That's the world through a snake's eyes. Snakes, with their specialized infrared vision, have a unique way of perceiving their surroundings. Unlike humans, who rely primarily on visible light to see, snakes have evolved to detect infrared radiation. This allows them to sense the body heat of their prey, even in pitch-black conditions. This extraordinary ability is thanks to a set of unique sensory organs known as pit organs. Located between the eyes and nostrils, these organs are filled with nerve endings sensitive to changes in temperature. When a warm-blooded creature comes within range, the pit organs detect the heat and send a signal to the snake's brain. The brain then translates these signals into a thermal image, guiding the snake directly towards its unsuspecting prey. From this remarkable reptilian perspective, the world is a canvas painted with heat signatures. From the heat-seeking snakes, we move on to the ultraviolet world of insects. Ever wondered why flowers are so vibrant? Ask a bee. To insects like bees and butterflies, the world is a brilliant tapestry of ultraviolet light, revealing patterns on flowers that are utterly invisible to us. When a bee sees a flower, it's not just seeing the yellow or red we see. It's seeing a veritable landing strip, a bright beacon in the ultraviolet spectrum that says, "Hey there, pollen here!" Butterflies, too, with their ultraviolet vision, find mates and food sources in ways we can't even comprehend. Imagine a world where the air itself is painted with signals, a world where every petal and leaf has a secret message. This is the world insects live in, a world unseen by human eyes. Their brains process these ultraviolet signals, translating them into navigational cues, mating signals, and food sources. It's a fascinating glimpse into a world that exists right under our noses. From the microscopic to the gigantic, our next stop is the deep blue sea. The ocean's depths hide more than just fish. They hide a whole new way of seeing. Imagine a world where light doesn't just illuminate but carries hidden information. This is the world that cephalopods, octopuses, squids inhabit. They have the remarkable ability to see polarized light, a facet of vision entirely foreign to us humans. In the realm of polarized light, every shimmering wave or ripple unveils a wealth of information. It's like seeing in 4 dimensions. This unique vision equips cephalopods with a sophisticated camouflage system. They can tune their skin to the polarized light patterns in their surroundings, effectively disappearing into the background. What a different world it must be to perceive light in such a way. And yet it's a reminder that our human vision, while incredible in its own right, is just one amongst many ways of interpreting the world. From the depths of the ocean, we now soar to the sky. If you think your eyesight is good, wait till you hear about birds. Birds, especially those of prey, have an extraordinary vision that trumps ours in many ways. Their eyes are larger in proportion to their heads, which allows for a greater number of light-sensing cells or photoreceptors. This endows them with incredibly sharp vision, enabling them to spot small prey from great heights. Picture an eagle soaring in the sky, far above the ground. It can spot a rabbit scurrying in the grasslands below with remarkable precision. This is because birds of prey have a central fovea, an area of the retina where photoreceptors are densely packed, providing sharp, detailed vision. Moreover, birds can see more colors than we can, thanks to an additional type of color receptor in their eyes. They can even see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to us. So while our vision may be limited, it's clear that the animal kingdom has a myriad of ways to see the world. So, what can we learn from this? In a sense, we can recognize that our human perception of the world is just that, a tiny sample of the wondrous reality that surrounds us. Humans are not the most important animals on Earth. We are just one of many beautiful species that make up our magnificent world. We hope you found this interesting. Stay tuned for more unique videos on University. Until next time.